All right, so it's that time of the year again, time to start grassing the duck boat. So here we are on the marsh, picking grass once again. Now, spin around, do a 360, show everybody all this grass. Now, it may just look like all the same grass, but believe it or not, there's some grass that's better to grass your duck boat than others. See all this tall stuff over here? It's okay for certain spots. We really want like a tall concealment area, maybe on the bow of your boat or something like that. You want to stay away from it because it falls apart. Halfway through the season, you're going to be doing patch jobs on it. Instead of duck hunting, you're going to be constantly grassing your duck boat or having birds flare off of it because you got big bare spots showing. This is the stuff you want right here. See all this stuff that's matted down? It looks like someone like combed it over with a brush. That's hay, salt hay. That's the stuff you want. There's more of it over here. See how it's all matted down? Now, the technique to picking this stuff, reach down, grab it by the root. A smaller handful is better than a bigger handful, because then you just be fighting yourself and getting yourself fatigued for no reason. Small handful is the key. Grab it, push down. Basically got my fist in the mud and up. And just keep repeating till you get a good bundle. You can see it looks short, but when you pull it out, it's a good, probably almost 24 inches long. All right, so just keep going till you get a nice stack. And you could even mix in stuff like this. I think they call this heather. All right, I like that. So you get a good bundle like that, and you keep piling it up so you get a big old pile. And then later on, we'll walk down to the boat and show you how to stuff it in the grass rails. And the way I do it is every year we start with fresh grass. At the end of the year, we rip it out and start new. It's a pain in the ass, but it's better off to have fresh grass. It doesn't look like it's been sitting out in the sun for the whole year and rotting away. And when I do my boat, I do the entire boat. Like, you basically can't see any hull at all. And we'll show you that later.